I'm Trish Stanfield. I have a trucking company in Lexington, Tennessee. I have about 25 to 32 trucks that operate in the United States and Canada. I had a driver get stopped for a headlight being out, and when he was stopped, it opened up the door for the inspector to go through the entire truck. So by the time they went through the truck, we had a few other minor citations, and the cost that it incurred to get that truck out and running again not only was problematic to me, but the time down had my driver late for delivery also. So when I heard about these lighting bugs, I absolutely had to know how they worked and if they worked. A headlight malfunction is a lose-lose for everyone considered. The company loses financially, the customer has a late delivery, the driver does not make his money. With the lighting bug, I don't have to worry about any of those things. Since I've installed the lighting bugs in my trucks, I don't worry anymore about headlights. It has resolved a problem. My head mechanic tells me that headlights go out periodically, even up to once a year for one reason or another. The lighting bug is a proactive way to make sure I am not stopped on the road with a headlight inoperable.
It saves tickets, driver's points. It saves you all the way around, all of them.
As the owner of the company, as well as the driver of the trucks, the lighting bug eliminates any concern we would have for negative impact on our CSA scores. I no longer get the midnight calls over headlights. We have had 100% success with the lighting bugs. It is one problem that's eliminated on my safety list.